The interview with Kim Soohyun on Tetsuko's Room has just been released. Look at this man. He's been fighting off his crazy case of ijbolistis since the beginning. Soohyun mentioned his new drama with Kim Jiwon. He said he never expected Queen of Tears to be a hit from the beginning. Kim Soohyun also said that he likes bura or chill and relax.
브라브라 스키데스. 브라브라는 좋아하는 편이지만 지금은 조금 브라브라 할 수 없는 게 있는 것 같습니다.
This also reminded fans of Jiwon, where she said her ideal holiday is watching Netflix and chill. Not only that, Soohyun once again talked about hiking, how it helps his mind and spirit get organized. It reminds me of someone who suddenly wants to try hiking. Meanwhile, it was informed that Kim Soohyun's full Japan fan meet, Eyes on You, will be exclusively broadcasted on Asahi TV. He also had a lot of activities and exposure in Japan.